Estrace is a medication that contains estrogen hormone. It is used by women to reduce symptoms of menopause, such as hot flashes and vaginal dryness, which are caused by the body making less estrogen. If you are using this medication to treat symptoms only in and around the vagina, products applied directly inside the vagina should be considered before medications that are taken by mouth, absorbed through the skin, or injected. Estrace may also be used by women after menopause to prevent bone loss, osteoporosis. However, there are other medications that are also effective in preventing bone loss and may be safer. These medications should be considered for use before estrogen treatment. Additionally, certain estrogen products may also be used by both men and women to treat cancers, such as certain types of prostate cancer, breast cancer that has spread to other parts of the body, and by women who are not able to produce enough estrogen due to hypogonadism or primary ovarian failure. The daily dosage and optimal timing for taking Estrace should be determined by a healthcare professional, as it varies based on individual needs and medical conditions. Be sure to consult with your doctor for the best time to take this medication. Before you start taking Estrace, make sure to read the patient information leaflet from your pharmacist. Take this medication by mouth as directed by your doctor, with or without food. If you are taking the extended-release tablets, be sure not to crush, chew, or dissolve them, as this can increase the risk of side effects. The dosage of Estrace is based on your medical condition and response to treatment. Take this medication regularly at the same time each day to get the most benefit from it. Do not increase your dose or take it more often than directed. If your condition does not improve or worsens, be sure to consult your doctor. Some common side effects of Estrace include stomach upset, nausea/vomiting, bloating, breast tenderness, headache, or weight changes. If any of these effects persist or worsen, inform your doctor or pharmacist promptly. Remember to inform your doctor if you notice the tablet in your stool. It's important to note that while many people using this medication do not experience serious side effects, it's essential to report any serious side effects to your doctor immediately. These may include nausea/vomiting that doesn't stop, mental/mood changes, such as depression, memory loss, breast lumps, unusual vaginal bleeding, such as spotting, breakthrough bleeding, prolonged/recurrent bleeding, increased or new vaginal irritation/itching/odor/discharge, severe stomach/abdominal pain, yellowing eyes/skin, dark urine, swelling hands/ankles/feet, increased thirst/urination. In rare cases, this medication may cause serious problems from blood clots such as heart attacks, strokes, deep vein thrombosis, or pulmonary embolism. Seek medical help right away if you experience any of these serious side effects. A serious allergic reaction to this product is rare, but if you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, including rash, itching/swelling, especially of the face/tongue/throat, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing, seek medical help immediately. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you notice any other effects not listed, contact your doctor or pharmacist. If you experience any side effects, be sure to report them to your doctor or pharmacist. Estrogens, whether used alone or with another hormone, can have some serious side effects. It's important to talk to your doctor about the risks and benefits of hormone treatment. Estrogens should not be used to prevent heart disease or dementia. There is a risk of cancer of the uterus with estrogens, but taking a progestin as directed by your doctor can help decrease this risk. If you experience any unusual vaginal bleeding, be sure to tell your doctor right away. In postmenopausal women, using estrogens, with or without a progestin, can increase the risk of cancer of the breast/ovaries, stroke, dementia, and serious blood clots. When used with a progestin, estrogens also increase the risk of heart disease. The risk for serious side effects may depend on the dose of estrogen and how long it is used. It's important to use this medication at the lowest effective dose and for the shortest amount of time. Make sure to talk to your doctor about your use of this medication and check in with them regularly to see if you still need to take it. If you will be taking this medication long-term, you should have regular complete physical exams as directed by your doctor. Before taking Estrace, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist about any allergies you may have. This medication may contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions. It's important to discuss any potential allergies with your pharmacist. It's also important to inform your doctor or pharmacist about your medical history, especially if you have a history of certain cancers, blood clots, stroke, heart disease, liver or kidney disease, high blood pressure, diabetes, or other health conditions. Additionally, it's important to avoid smoking or using tobacco while taking Estrace, as this can further increase your risk of certain health issues. If you are planning to have surgery or will be confined to a chair or bed for a long time, be sure to discuss this with your doctor, as these conditions can increase your risk of developing blood clots while taking Estrace. It's also important to be cautious of sun exposure while taking Estrace, as it may cause blotchy, dark areas on your face and skin. Limiting your time in the sun and using sunscreen can help prevent this effect. If you wear contact lenses, you may experience vision problems while taking Estrace. Be sure to contact your eye doctor if you experience any issues. If you are considering becoming pregnant or are currently breastfeeding, be sure to discuss this with your doctor before taking Estrace, as it should not be used during pregnancy and may affect the quality and amount of breast milk produced. It's important to be aware of potential drug interactions with Estrace. This medication may interact with other drugs such as aromatase inhibitors, fezolinetant, fulvestrant, aspemifene, raloxifene, tamoxifen, toremifene, and tranexamic acid. It's important to keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Additionally, Estrace may interfere with certain lab tests, so it's important to inform lab personnel and your doctors that you are taking this medication. As for the daily dosage and optimal timing, it's best to follow your doctor's instructions for the most effective use of this medication. If you or someone else has taken too much Estrace and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help. In the US, you can call 911 for emergency assistance, or contact your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. Canadian residents should call their provincial poison control center. Symptoms of an overdose may include severe nausea and vomiting, as well as unusual vaginal bleeding. Remember, it's important to take medications like Estrace exactly as prescribed to avoid any potential risks. It's important not to share Estrace with others. While taking this medication, it's important to have regular physical exams and medical tests to monitor your health. Your doctor will also want to examine your breasts and you should report any lumps right away. It's crucial to keep all medical and lab appointments and follow your doctor's instructions. Preventing or controlling high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and diabetes can help reduce your risk of heart disease and stroke. Making lifestyle changes such as reducing stress, eating a low-fat/salt diet, losing weight if needed, exercising regularly, and stopping smoking can be beneficial. Mental exercises like reading and solving crossword puzzles can also help prevent dementia, so it's important to talk to your doctor about lifestyle changes that might benefit you. If you experience hot flashes, making lifestyle changes like stopping smoking, dressing lightly, avoiding certain foods, reducing stress, and exercising regularly may help reduce the frequency and severity of hot flashes. To promote healthy bones, it's important to engage in weight-bearing exercise, stop smoking, limit alcohol, and eat a well-balanced diet with enough calcium and vitamin D. Your doctor may also recommend calcium and vitamin D supplements, as well as specific lifestyle changes to support healthy bones. If you forget to take a dose of Estrace, take it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, just skip the missed dose and take the next one at your regular time. Don't take a double dose to make up for the missed one. It's important to take this medication at the same time every day for the best results. It is important to store Estrace at room temperature, away from light and moisture. Do not keep it in the bathroom. Make sure to keep all medications out of reach of children and pets. Do not dispose of Estrace by flushing it down the toilet or pouring it into a drain unless instructed to do so. When it is expired or no longer needed, be sure to properly discard this product. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance on how to do this. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.